Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an account on TradingView. If you're looking to sign up for a new account, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the TradingView app. Once the download is complete, open the app. You'll see the option to continue with Apple. If you prefer not to use your Apple ID, simply tap Cancel at the top right corner. You may be prompted to allow notifications. Feel free to choose whether to allow or deny them. Next, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right, then tap Sign In. From there, select Sign Up at the bottom of the screen. You'll have several options to create your account, including Google, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and others. In this example, I'll choose Google. Tap Continue, select the Google account you'd like to use, and confirm. It's that simple. Your TradingView account is now created. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.